5 ways to add more protein into your diet. Did you know that protein is one of the body's major building blocks? It's a macronutrient which we require in higher amounts in the diet in order to stay healthy, and it supports the synthesis of new muscle tissue as well as forming the building blocks of our hair, skin and nails, and even our hormones and antibodies in our immune system are also made up of protein. Crazy, right? Typically, we are required to consume a minimum of 0.75 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. However, this number can increase due to higher activity levels and a desire to build more muscle mass, for example. So as a starting point, you want at least a quarter of your plate to be composed of protein. So here's 5 examples of ways that you can get more of this important nutrient into your diet. Number 1, eggs. Eggs are a brilliant source of protein which you can incorporate into any meal of the day, including enjoying them as a standalone snack, and they pack 6 grams of protein per egg. Number 2, fish. If you like seafood, enjoying some sustainably caught fish is a great way to include more protein into your diet, which pairs really well with salads and also vegetable tray bakes. This mackerel fillet packs about 19 grams per fillet, and it's also a fantastic source of omega-3 essential fatty acids, which are great for supporting brain health and also fighting inflammation. Number 3, tempeh. Tempeh is an Indonesian food made from fermented soybeans, which is a complete source of protein for those vegans and vegetarians out there. It packs a whopping 19 grams of protein per 100 gram serving, which is pretty high for a plant-based protein source. Always opt for organic tempeh if you can, and it's nicely paired with stir fries and curries with lots of vegetables. Number 4, nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a very smart way to add in more protein into your diet while also obtaining the benefits from healthy fats too. You can add them into your breakfast bowls such as yogurt or porridge, sprinkle them onto a salad, soup, curry or stew, and they're so versatile and you can enjoy them raw or also toasted for an added crunch. These walnuts pack about 15 grams of protein per 100 gram serving. And finally, number 5, lentils. Lentils are a great way to add in more protein into your daily dishes. Stir them into soups, stews, and of course dals, and they're a great way to help you hit your daily protein quota. Check out our website, ardere.com, for more delicious recipes that incorporate these 5 ingredients and more.